Hello all, it's Sharon. Today's video I'm back with a little Dollarama haul. So Nate has some plants on the balcony that need to be repotted. So I picked him up 3 packages of this organic potting mix. It is 2.7 liters and these are 75 cents per bag. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. He has some plants that need to be rehomed, and we bought these really cool, I think they're stackable pots that kind of look like fidget spinners from the Dollar Tree, which you'll see in tomorrow's video. So yeah, his radishes are coming up, and I believe his peas and tomatoes. So we're gonna plant them. Nate picked up this item for himself. This is $2.25, and it is a watering can. It's a nice one with the handles like this and a flower design. And he loves planting different things. He definitely has the green thumb, so I was happy to get him this new watering can. And then for the cats, I just picked up this mega pack Temptations. This is the seafood melony one, and these are $3, and you get 180 grams. And then our wonderful neighbor that gave me the reclining sofa and that beautiful cabinet. Her birthday's coming up on Friday, so Nate picked her out this happy birthday gift bag. I love the ribbon that's on the top of it here. The little gem, really nice bag. And these bags are $1.50. And then as a little gift, Nate bought her this item here. This was $4.50, and it's just this potted, the little fake succulents, but this is the one he chose for her. So thanks a lot for watching this Dollarama haul, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care, and bye for now.